Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Allegro automatic foam soap dispenser. The listing on Amazon says hands-free infrared motion sensor touchless hand soap dispenser pump foam for bathroom, kitchen, countertop, silver, 11 ounces. It's listed for a little bit more than $25 on Amazon. Has a lot of good reviews. So the design is very unique. There are a lot of automatic foam soap dispensers now around, and this is a little bit different. I have already tested a couple of them, and I can tell you it can be worth to spend a little bit of extra money. So I'm definitely not recommending to go with the cheapest model, because there are some really important things which you have to consider. Here some details of the packaging. It's a rapid foaming 330 milliliters. I think we have more information. There's even a model type, I think FD100 in silver. It is available in some really nice different colors like pink and gray and white. I don't have the colors here, but you can check them out on the listing on Amazon. What's really important: 5-level output adjustment, high capacity, long battery life. Then we have a 12:1 air liquid ratio with fine foam, waterproof, and again the rapid foaming. So let's take it out of the box and see what we get. So here's the soap dispenser. Looks really nice. I would say it has a decent size, not too large, not too small, and it comes with one tab which you can use to create this mix or a premix. Probably I'll have to read on that. It even comes with some instructions manual. It comes in many different languages, but I'm showing you the English part. Just make sure that you go on to the highest resolution, then put it on pause on every page. You have plenty of time to read everything, but it could be really useful. I don't know if they have their web page. I think that's already it, so it doesn't look too complicated. So first, of course, we have to prepare everything, and so first thing we have to take out the water tank here from the bottom. So it's not difficult, you can really grab it here and take it out. Then second thing, we have to insert the battery. So we have to push down here, so like into this thing, and then it will pop out automatically. We need to insert 3 of the AAA batteries, which are the small ones, like this. And then it's important to align the arrow here. So here you have an arrow and here you have an arrow, and so you have to insert it like it and push it up, and you will hear some beep confirmation. Now we need to load the tank. Then we have to open this lid counterclockwise and fill either like the tap and add it with water, or fill premix, or do a 1:5 ratio of liquid soap. So since I have this nice tablet here, I'm trying with the tablet. I would recommend to maybe not touch, because it's probably very concentrated. We put it here and then we fill it up to the maximum level which is indicated here. So I filled it up now, and you can see it's slowly dissolving, so it needs probably a couple of minutes. I would highly recommend to wait till it's fully dissolved before it probably won't work properly. But of course we can close it now already and insert it back carefully. Okay, I think we are already more or less ready to use this thing as soon as this tablet has been fully dissolved. So I had it here sitting for about 2 hours till the tab was fully dissolved. So you really have to give it some time, but you don't have to do anything. Don't shake or so all the time. It probably won't dissolve faster. But I think it's ready now to use. I'm not in the bathroom because I have much more space here, so I wanted to show you this like this, and I think it should still work. Now let's turn it on. By the way, here we have just a sensor button. You don't have to push hard or so, and you heard that confirmation, and to turn off again. just a short push and you see the red light and it's off. It won't do anything. So let's turn it on again. And by the way, what we can do, we can adjust the amount. Yeah, we can go to the highest level or down. You can see, you can adjust this. These are also sensor buttons. So probably I would recommend to start on the lowest setting and then increase if you really have to increase. So we put our hand here and you can see this thing is really fast. It has also quite some pressure, so you don't have to fear that it's just straight down dropping, which is really good. So the foam is only on my hands and nowhere else. And the good thing, I didn't have to try for a long time or so. It was in the first attempt delivering the soap, and definitely enough soap. So I can increase the amount a little bit. Let's try and see how this works. I think we have 5 levels if I remember correctly. So let's do this. Yeah, I pressed the button unfortunately, so it didn't do anything. So let's go to the highest setting and let's try again and see what it does. You can see there's a huge difference, of course. Now let's check how it is when I just hold very quickly. This could be a real important thing. So I put it here and it stops immediately. You see that? As soon as I remove my hand, it's stopping. This is really important. This is really rare, I can tell you. Yeah, by the way, the foam is really nice. I would say, yeah, this is as good as it gets. Really, really nice foam here. Exactly what you need. So it has definitely passed the most important test, or the 2 most important tests actually. So you see there's a different amount which you can set. So especially if a lot of children are around, or small children, I would definitely put it on the lowest setting here. And you can see there's a longer beep when you have reached the lowest level, and on the highest level same thing again. So for children I would put it on the lowest setting, so the amount of wasted soap is then the lowest, and if you really need a lot you can do a couple of attempts to get more soap. That's probably the best solution. And also when it's on the highest amount, you can just always pull your hand back when you have the idea that it's too much. And it's delivering fast, it's delivering the nice foam, so I don't see any problem at all. And so I can definitely confirm that this thing here is a game changer compared to the other ones which I already have. I mean, my daughter just went into the next supermarket when she wanted to have these things. Bought 2 of the cheapest devices. I mean, I'm not saying they are not beautiful, I'm not saying they are not working, but they just have one level and they deliver a lot of foam even when it's not needed. So 2 problems actually. It's a waste of money and a waste of time as well. If you have to refill the foam every couple of days when it's actually not needed, and it will cost some money as well. I mean, over time you can save a lot of money with this device here. And also one important thing, I wanted to show you what's really important, that you can go underneath here and it doesn't cause anything. You can see it always measures the distance, and when you're not close enough it doesn't do anything. So you can also move this thing around. You don't have to be worried that it starts immediately providing the foam when you just want to clean your bathroom. So everything is working really nice, and can highly recommend this thing. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.